Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So recently, the Bitcoin price saw a massive pump to the upside, breaking the important $30,000 to $32,000 level resistance. And as you all know, we entered the right perfectly at the bottom and booked 10% move in Bitcoin pump and made awesome profits there. So, if I draw the Fibonacci tool from the swing high at $48,100 to the swing low at $15,300 level, then the main important Fibonacci 0.50.618 zone is coming between the range of $32,000 to $35,000 level approximate. So if the price of Bitcoin reverses from here, and again breaks this zone to downside E, then the easy target can be the swing low at the $15,300 level. Because as you can see, first the price formed an impulse, then a correction, in which the price is currently there, and if it gets a perfect reversal from this golden zone, then the next impulse will be formed, whose target can be $15,300 level. And if the price breaks this important zone to the upside, then it can easily go to the one level of Fibonacci, that is the swing high I was talking about at approximately $48,000.